and even in the financial part as well, what I feel, because every profile is different. हर एक का profile different होता है, requirement different होती हैं.
See, for her key, see, it won't give you personalized recommendations, right? Although, if you have अगर एक feature होता है हमें memory on कर सकते हो, you can actually tell what you have done and explain yourself. It is very advanced these days, so it can help you it can give you a personalized recommendation as well. But see, ultimately you need human touch because there are certain aspects of your decision that you cannot just let technology handle. Because ultimately here the technology, right?
बिल्कुल.
Human will be able to understand your background, personal background, which could be your affordability,
बिल्कुल, exactly.
right? कहाँ पे आपकी human can understand your bank statements, can understand what kind of affordability your parents would be able to support you with, and give you recommendations.
And even I personally will feel that it is very scary to upload the ITR, financial part, ये भी.
Scary तो होता है because ultimately you're giving a lot of personal information.
Exactly.
And that's why even I remember when अपना memory वाला feature on करा था ना, literally just to try it out, I'd give an AI my entire history.
Okay.
Could be even based on girlfriends, could be based on could be based on various life experience, which I probably shouldn't say right now. But only AI knows about that.
Exactly.
But then sooner or later I realized that it's sort of dangerous because if that information gets leaked
Exactly.
anywhere, because ultimately
So there should be a limitation.
limitation होनी चाहिए, एक limit रखो, but definitely AI is growing in terms of, because see, usually हमारे time पे we used to visit university websites, right? If you go according to data, I think I saw a report, there was 17% of students who are actually enrolled in universities right now globally who have made their decision based solely on AI, right? But pehle, like I was saying, pehle you used to go more on university websites, but now AI is ultimately collecting information from all those sources, right? And it's collecting information from various sources and then giving you a summarized version of it. So it's becoming a very important part, and I think it's very helpful as well. But again, very important to understand that it's not going to be able to understand your personal background.
Obviously, yeah.
What you can actually afford,
Exactly.
and what your family thinks about it, what your background is best suited to, what kind of community you're looking for when you go abroad. So that's where the human touch is required.